Hey guys, hi everyone. So today I'm going to be making an Indian style omelette. So here are the ingredients. We're going to need some onion, some tomato, an egg or more than one, depends on how many omelettes, garam masala, red chili powder, cumin, and salt. You're also going to need mushroom, spinach, and cilantro. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I've heated the pan to low flame. What you're going to do first is you're going to add some oil. You don't want it to stick. As you can see, I've added quite a lot of oil because I do not want this omelet to stick to the pan. And you're going to add some onion. Not too much, just a bit. You are going to add some tomato. Again, not too much. You are going to add some mushrooms, some spinach, and some salt. There we go. And you're going to saute this until the onion gets kind of golden brown and the other vegetables get cooked. And we're going to be stirring this every few seconds because we don't want it to stick to the pan. Now let's get started on the egg mixture, okay? So here I have a bowl, and I have a fork. You can use a whisk too. I'm going to use a fork. I'm going to make one egg omelet. You can also make 2 egg omelets, so it's completely your choice. So welcome back, guys. I'm going to put some egg in my bowl, like this. And I'm going to put my spices in. All of them are according to taste because it's just how much you can eat, how much spice you can eat, and how much you like in your food. So basically all of them are according to taste. The cumin is for flavor, okay? So just that much. As you can see, I've not added a lot in there, just a bit. And I'm going to mix it now, beat the egg. As you can see, it's pretty beat now, like that. And we are going to mix our sauté mixture. And as you can see, it's pretty much done. Now what I'm going to do is kind of spread this out. We don't want it to go all the way to the edge, but we also want it to go around. So we're going to kind of spread it out, and now we're going to pour our mixture inside this, kind of, and try for it to not go too much there, okay? And if it comes into a not circle, that's fine. That's completely fine. We just want to make sure that our vegetables here are pretty much in. So as you can see, we're going to flip it when it starts to get hard. As you can see, it's starting to. You can see how when you look at it and you see white stuff on it, that's because it's starting to get harder. That's perfectly good, okay? Don't worry. And you want it to get kind of hard on the outside, but you don't want it to stick to the pan. So I'm going to ask an adult to help to flip this now. So welcome back. As you can see, my omelet is flipped and it's well cooked. As soon as it starts separating and you can kind of move it, slide it around the pan, it's done on the bottom too. For plating the omelet, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half, like this, and you're going to place it in your plate kind of like this, like that. And you can keep the gas on to make more or not. Your choice. Now, how you usually serve your omelet is you take 2 pieces of bread and some ketchup if you want. And my pieces of bread are not done yet. I've put them in the toaster, as you can see in the toaster. So I will get back to you when they're done. So as you can see, guys, my bread is done. Nice and pretty nice. We're going to just put a bit of butter on it, just to give it that extra flavor so it doesn't taste like just bread. Taste a bit. Gives it a bit of flavor. And you're going to put it on one side. You can put it on 2 if you want. And you're going to put the butter on both of the breads so that it doesn't, they both have flavor in it. So yeah, just like this. And there's my bread, like this. And we're going to put some ketchup. Ketchup is completely optional, but I like it with ketchup, so I'm going to put some ketchup. And there's your omelet.